What skills do CNC operators need to possess? Firstly, CNC operators need to have solid mathematical skills, fundamentals of physics and mechanics, as well as proficient skills in programming and operation. Secondly, CNC operators need to understand the structure of CNC equipment, deep understanding of performance and functionality, can quickly identify and solve problems. Furthermore, CNC operators need to possess good skills, strong communication skills and teamwork spirit, able to work closely with quality control personnel in the engineering department, ensure smooth production. Finally, CNC operators need to continuously learn, mastering new processing techniques and methods to adapt to the constantly evolving market and company needs.